Hello guys, welcome to my first Spring Boot project, and that is a student management system. This is a mini project based on Spring Boot which enables a university or school to add details of student, view details of all students, and update, delete students based on university ID. So without wasting any time, let me run the application and show you how the project is actually working. So here in Eclipse, you can see we have a folder with a student management system. Okay, in this we have different packages, and here we have one class that is application.java, which is entry point for our project. And here in templates, you can see we have added all the HTML files. Okay, to run the project, simply we have to go to application.java and we have to click on run button. After clicking, the project is running and it will got deployed to our local host. So the project got deployed to our local host. Now you can see here Tomcat started on port 8080. So if you want to access this project, we have to go to browser and we have to enter localhost 8080 and we have to click on enter. So you can see this is our project. Okay, here we have different buttons to perform different activities. Okay, if I click on register new student button, okay, this will take me to another page where I have to enter the details of the student and save the details. Okay, here we have a button view all existing students. So if I click on this, it will show me the details of all students. Okay, here we have another button that is a search student. Okay, if I click on this, it will ask me to enter name, ID or any other criteria, and after entering, it will show me the details of the student. And here we have another button that is update existing student. If I click on this, I can update the details of the student. Okay, again we have final button that is delete student. Here I have to enter the ID of the student and it will automatically delete the detail of the student. Okay, first let me show you how many students are there in this data. Okay, as we can see here, there are only 3 students. Okay, with the ID 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see the names and the details. Okay, I will show you this same list in our database also. So the table name is student. Okay, we have the student details here. Okay, if I click on run button, okay, you can see only 3 students we have. If you want to enter any new student details, simply we have to go to register new student. Okay, we have to enter the ID. Okay, let me enter 4 and we have to enter the name. Okay, let me enter David Miller. Let me enter the email as david@gmail.com. Okay, let me enter the branch as easy and the address is okay, Postgres, South Africa. Okay, now the student detail is got added. You can see here. Okay, student ID 4, the name is David Miller and email is david@gmail.com, branch EC, Postgres, South Africa. So here we got the data inserted. Let us check that it really got inserted in the database or not. So if I click on run button, so you can see here the detail of David Miller also got added here. Okay, let us see another functionality. We have to search student. Okay, here it is asking me for ID to search any student. Okay, let me enter 4. Okay, and click on search. It is giving me that the student with ID 4 is David Miller with email, branch, address. Okay, let us go to home. We have seen that how to register a student. We also saw how to view all existing students, and we also saw how to search a student by using ID. And we have to see these two buttons. Okay, here we have update and we have delete. Okay, first let me update any student details. Okay, I will go to update details. Okay, let me enter the university ID 4. So basically I am editing the details of the student with ID 4. Okay, the name we had entered is David Miller. So let me change the name to AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers. Okay. Let me enter the ID as abd@gmail.com. Let the branch be civil. Address is South Africa. Let me enter the year of password as 2024. Okay, if I click on update student details, so the details should got edited. Okay, let me click on this button and check the result. Okay, let me view all student details. So you can see here the student with the ID 4 is now AB de Villiers. So he is not David Miller now, he is AB de Villiers, and you can see the email and branch and address. Okay, let me go to home again, and let me show you the fifth button. Okay, delete student. Okay, if I click on it, it is asking me to enter the ID to delete the student. Okay, it is also giving me a warning that this action cannot be undone. That means if you delete the student, you cannot bring it back. Okay, so let me enter the ID as 4. So now the student with the ID 4 should get deleted. Okay, let me click on delete student button. Okay, now view all the students. Okay, so the student ID with 4 got deleted. Now also see the same on our database. Okay, let me run this, and you can see here we only have 3 student details. So the ID 4 got deleted. So this is how the project is designed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this project. I know this is very simple project, but it helps you to enhance your skills in Spring Boot. If you want the project source code, then the link is provided in the description. Download the project and try to implement it. While running the project, if you got stuck somewhere, then you can comment below. I will help you for sure. Please subscribe to the channel. In a few days, I will be posting a video with e-commerce website that is built by using Java full stack and React for front end. And once again, thank you for watching the video and take care. Bye bye.